Hello, my name is Curtis Morrison with Red Eagle Law. This video is about a group lawsuit that Red Eagle Law will be offering in June. So, calling this the Islamabad lawsuit, basically US citizens who have spouses and children awaiting immigrant visa interviews from US Embassy Islamabad, primarily Afghan and Pakistani nationals, are facing unreasonable, and thus we argue unlawful, delays in the adjudication of their loved ones' visa applications. These visa applications are in the categories known as IR1, IR2, and CR1 and CR2. At US Embassy Islamabad, the immigrant visa backlog for the immediate relative categories is not decreasing, but steadily increasing. In November 2022, through a lawsuit that I'm involved with my other law firm, Morrison Urena, we filed a lawsuit named Naveed versus Blinken to challenge unlawful causes for these unreasonable delays. Now, through Red Eagle Law, we're offering another group lawsuit to challenge the unlawfulness of the cause of those delays. Okay, very similar to the Naveed case, except one exception. We'll be filing it in a different court. Okay, so basically, when I say similar to the Naveed case, we're making the same three challenges. We're challenging the recalibration scheme. That's from the November 16th, 2022 cable. Actually, it's November 16th, 2021 cable that Blinken sent, called 21 State 115378, where he recalibrated consular services and gave the consular chief at the embassy the discretion to pick and choose which categories they like, which ones they don't like. Okay, we're challenging the prioritization of non-immigrant visas over immigrant visa applications, which also happened in that same cable. And we're challenging Secretary Blinken and the State Department's decision to understaff the U.S. Embassy Islamabad. So to be eligible to participate in this lawsuit, it's only for families with those categories, IR1, IR2, CR1, CR2. Only for families waiting for visa interviews at U.S. Embassy Islamabad. Okay, participants will only include U.S. citizen petitioners with approved I-130 petitions and their visa applicant beneficiaries whose petitions have already been transferred to NVC, DQ. They must have been documentarily qualified, is what I mean by that, by NVC since a year. So since June 30th of 2022, okay? And note, diversity visa selectees, you're not eligible to participate in this lawsuit. This lawsuit is not for you. Okay, so the cost to participate, that'll be $1,500, but the terms by which those are payable are a little different. $500 due upon registration, and $1,000 is deferred and due upon issuance of the visa to the spouse or the child upon their entry to the United States. Okay? Important to understand that the deferred portion, I'm deferring that because of the hardship that separated families face. It's still due. If we file the lawsuit and the visa's issued, there's not a point where the client gets to come back to me and say, well, I'm not sure if the lawsuit helped, or nothing like that. No. To participate in the lawsuit, it's $1,500, and the $1,000 that we are deferring, that's as a courtesy, and it's not contingent upon the client's belief of what happened in the lawsuit, or actually what happened in the lawsuit. It's contingent upon, it's triggered by the issuance of the visa and entry into the U.S. Okay, so I have some frequently asked questions that are answered on the website that you could read through. I just wanted to put it out there that we are offering this lawsuit, and timing is very important because we plan to file this case on June 30th, 2023. So registration ends June 15th, 2023. So you must make your decision whether or not to participate and register to participate before June 15th, 2023. Strongly recommend you do not wait until that day, because every time I offer a lawsuit, there are people that went on the bus that don't get on the bus because they wait to the last minute. So if you want to participate, I hope that you make that decision soon. If you have any questions, you've got some time now to get with me with those questions, and we'll get them answered so that you can make the best decision about whether or not participating in this lawsuit is right for you. Thank you for your time.